Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be going over how to add a lock to your notes on a Mac. So let's get started. First, open the Notes app and locate the specific note you want to secure. Next, Control-click or right-click on the note to bring up a context menu. Then select Lock Note from the available options. If prompted, enter your Mac's password to proceed. At this point, you may be presented with two options or maybe just one. Either lock the note using your login password or create a separate password specifically for the locked note. If your Mac is equipped with Touch ID functionality, the Notes app may prompt you to enable it for easier unlocking of locked notes using your fingerprint. Keep in mind that these steps may vary slightly depending on the Mac OS version you are using, so it's a good idea to consult official Apple support documentation or your device user manual for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions. Taking these simple steps will help you keep your sensitive information secure within the Notes app on your Mac. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.